Well, this week is Home-Based Business Week. So to celebrate, we invited one of the best home-based businesses we know. I can't speak. Our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is giving us some tips. Vicki, you have had an organized home-based business for more than 20 years now?
Yes, we have. At Restoring Order, we have 12 employees, but we actually office from our homestead, which is our farm, Dream Acres. We love the home-based business lifestyle, and I found out that 69% of all businesses begin in the home, Molly. Think about Steve Jobs and Apple computers starting in his garage, right? And so you can have an epically successful business when you're organized. And so that's the strategies that I want to share today.
Okay, so share your secrets with us, Vicki.
Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is really steward your time. Now, the Wall Street Journal says we waste up to 40% of our workday being disorganized. Fast Company magazine says it's an hour a day, but somewhere in there, there's like a truth that we are having our time drained due to disorganization. So 2 little tips here. The first one is be the boss of your calendar. Put everything in it so that you can really live that integrated life that you want of business and personal convergence. And then also set off hours. A lot of people, when it comes to time management, say set office hours. They must not have children at home, Molly. So we have a family at home, we homeschool. So what I found is it's easier to set off hours to really steward our time and live that life of prioritization we want.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. Okay, what's tip 2?
Okay, so the next thing really is to set up shop and really devote a very professional space in your home. Don't couch surf in your jammies with your laptop, right? You need some doors that you can shut, and this will up your professionalism. And then you can also set like up a workstation area and a reference area. And as you saw in that picture, this particular business was product driven, and a lot of people do have inventory, and when you have that, you need an organized place to track your inventory. So that's the benefit of having a devoted space in your home.
Yeah, and now this next tip, this is what I know I would need a lot of help with.
Oh my gosh, I know. And this is why not everybody is necessarily meant to run a business. Sometimes it's better to contribute to a different business. But cash and context must be systematized if you want to be successful in business. Listen, business is about serving people, and it's about relationships with people. So you have to have a customer relationship management database. I had one built for Restoring Order, but there's tons of options on the marketplace where you can either get an app or software to manage your contacts, and then staying on top of your cash flow is really important too. And I like my little dashboards and my pie charts and my report backs so I can see what's going on with the state of affairs financially. Both of those people and profits elements are really important.
Yeah. And the next one is to get out of your home, right?
That's right. We have to mix and mingle. You know, it can be isolating to work at home, and so get out to a coffee shop, mix and mingle. This is why all of those co-working sites are so popular right now, Molly, I think, because we just get energized when we're with people, right? And that, again, is what business is all about. It's about people, relationships, and stewarding that. And if you can't get out of the house, then collaborate online on like a video conferencing platform. We do that a lot with our clients and our partners in our team. But there's a great blog called Work From Home, Proven Secrets to Success on the Restoring Order Facebook page today. So people can just go out there and get lots more ideas on that action-packed blog.
Beautiful. And we have a link to that on our website, kptv.com/moregdo. Thanks for coming in, Vicki.
Absolutely.
You're the best.
Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.